Welcome to ReadyMax. Today we're going to share with you the proper way to enjoy our ReadyMax replacement PermaPlug earplugs with a noise reduction rating of 27 decibels. PermaPlugs provide NRR27 and SNR34 protection from loud noises and are appropriate for use in a wide array of industrial, construction, manufacturing, and other high decibel noise conditions. PermaPlugs used with ReadyMax's tethered products help reduce foreign object debris on work sites. PermaPlug earplugs are reusable triple-flange earplugs. They may be removed for cleaning or when replacement is needed. With clean hands, hold the earplug. With your free hand, reach over your head and pull your ear gently up and slightly out. This will open up your ear canal to make insertion easier. Insert the earplug until it's inside of your ear. Use a slight turning motion while inserting it. The entire plug should fit inside your ear with only a small amount protruding. Repeat on the other ear. Cleaning is simple and requires warm water and soap. Cleaning these reusable earplugs regularly will keep them soft, hygienic, and effective at blocking noise for weeks or even months of frequent usage. Thank you for joining us. And to learn more about our ReadyMax products, visit ReadyMax.com.